Ini kampung.
Kumpul dekat mana?
I think kampung is nice too. Hey guys, welcome to another video. So right now we are going to for Durian and we are with a girls. Look at that, saying hi girls. Hi. So the one girl is driving. This is our perfect driver. And look at this guy. That's all, as you can see, that's all the durian tree. And we are so excited. We are 10 minutes away from the durian place. So it's kind of like busy.
Oh, crazy road.
I don't see any durian now.
No more durian trees. It's a tropical fruit farm, is it?
No, it's not.
More.
More, further.
Alright.
It's 10
It's
minutes.
tropical fruit farm now. Over, even over the tropical fruit farm.
So that's the durian tree. Did you see, guys? A lot of fruit tree.
To find out more. You feel nervous and anxious all the time?
So look at that durian, guys.
Durian everywhere.
Durian. Yeah, durian everywhere. Look at that, guys. That's all durian tree.
Crazy.
And look at these people eating on the street. Ooh, I'm so jealous. Where? I'm going to eat soon. Almost there.
Yeah.
We are so excited.
Thank you, Dan, for driving us to the durian
Yeah.
place.
So our friend here. So we are from Philippines with this beautiful driver.
No.
And Hannah is from Vietnam.
Yes.
Yeah. So Summer, she's Malay. She's this very sexy Malay girl. Yeah.
Uncle,
So
why you?
I don't know if that's
Uncle.
Uncle. Come on, Uncle.
I can't
That's
say
true.
so.
Oh, careful.
Uncle, you shouldn't be riding bike anymore.
Yeah, very slow, right?
Yeah.
So look at that tree durian.
3 minutes, I will be there. 3 minutes. 3 minutes.
3 minutes.
I'm not worried of my driving, I'm worried of the guy.
Fish. Like
So
more.
guys, that's a durian. Look at that, the durian tree and the market tree.
Be careful this side. There's the roundabout. Okay. I think there's there's space.
Alright guys, we arrived now here. We are in Taluk Pahang, the destination. And as you can see, a lot of people already coming for durian. That's the name of the place. Look at these people.
Buy from here and then go.
So guys, sitting here. I think they just opened. It's so busy.
Lisa, sit. Which one?
Khi các em ghé ơi lúc trước
So that's all the price.
I want the Mustang King.
I think also say this. Where is the Musang? I want that too.
Mustang King.
Which
So what
one?
do you want?
Musang King. Is that per kilo?
This one is
Per kilo.
is it one?
Kilo.
Okay, so
Oh, so it's not much. Look at this guy. This is all the
Ini kampung.
kumpul dekat mana?
I think kampung is nice too.
You want to get one kampung?
Why not?
Get one kampung.
Mana yang banyak isi?
Ya sih semua ada.
Kalau ini
Ini kampungnya.
Ini ada isi tak?
Ini tak boleh.
Tak boleh?
Itu boleh, bukan tak boleh jual itu. Itu dalam ada kaki kurang.
Oh,
Yang banyak daging.
Saya sama itu Mia, sana Mia.
Ini?
Ini kampungnya ini mesti mau kurang.
kurang. Oh,
Ah.
so kurang.
Isi dalam kurang, visit bisa.
So he said that one is not that much meat, only a lot of seed. But this is the one, the original.
Ini kampung ah. Ini pun satu.
Ini baru kalau ya. Ini jadi kau. Ini jadi.
Berapa kilo?
Hah? Ini 81 ringgit. Udang merah boleh ya? Hah?
Banyak tak dalam?
Tak banyak. Ah, mau makan sini.
71, right?
100
It's the same price as
Kiam.
91.
91.
Oh my god, that's so
81.
I don't know.
That one is kumpul red prawn.
Kumpul this one.
Kumpul that one is
This one
red
udang
prawn.
merah.
Udang merah. Okay lah, I get the red prawn. And then one.
Bukan makan sini.
Yeah, and one kumpul.
One
For the red
kumpul.
prawn. I pay for the red prawn.
Satu kau 39.
Okay, buka dulu nanti mau tengok.
Ini satu kau.
Look at that meat.
Very good this one.
The big one.
Kira Maya.
Look at that. I'd rather that one is the more. The meat is not good. This place is just opening, but the problem, guys, it's a Muslim durian. The problem, the durian is so really expensive. The one durian, and it's kind of like cost 100 ringgit. It's for me, it's really expensive. But my friend is already ordering, so let's see. But my friend is over there. She paying the durian. It's kind of expensive, maybe because of the place. Alright guys, that's the durian.
They didn't have Musang King out of
Oh, it's okay, no need. That you should buy the locals.
Yeah, the company
But
is nice.
the local one, the guy doesn't want to sell yet because he said that it's not much inside. So this is red prawn.
So what is this calling?
Red prawn.
Red prawn.
Udang
And this
merah.
one?
Udang merah.
This is udang merah.
This is kumpul.
Kungfu. So
Kumpul.
be careful. Maybe.
Oh, that's
Guys, so now we are ready to eat. We're so excited. Look at this, guys. Hi. Hi. Come on, attack.
attack. Attack.
I want to try this one. Yeah.
I want to try this one too.
All right, go ahead. Hannah, take that.
Hannah, this one, the middle.
That's nice. This nice. Have to eat nicely. We are in the video.
Really tastes good.
I'll let him down.
Yeah.
I can just eat her by one. So many fries.
Oh, this is really nice.
Cheers to Dang for driving us along.
Yeah. Thanks to them.
Oh, thanks to you. And summer for our place.
The taste is really, really good and so yummy. And not really smelly. I hope our husband cannot smell.
That's the problem.
Yeah. I want to taste this. Yeah.
Because then you said that you don't
Look
like
at this,
so
guys.
fluffy, right?
See? Look at this meat. You can see, guys. This really yummy.
Can I want to try this one? Oh, sick.
But there are three different kinds.
No, this one is the same. So, okay.
That's right. This is the taste good.
Just thinking.
Same. Wow.
A different kind of.
Yeah.
Yeah, different taste.
This
This
also
is
tastes good.
sweeter, this one.
Yeah.
Sweet and creamy.
Don't worry, it's not smelly, so they can't smell us.
We're gonna brush our teeth, wash hands, everything.
So yummy, guys. I know you are guys jealous. Try this then. Look at it. So this is different one. Look at that color. Yellow. As you know, guys, my favorite color.
I'm a bit surprised. This one is not so yellow, but it's creamy.
Oh, this is bitter.
Because we don't know what to pick. Because I said most something, then they go like out of stock. They don't even want to talk to you. They just want you to pick up which durian you want
Oh,
and pay.
you didn't tell them that we want bitter one?
No, I didn't tell them one bitter one because nobody wants to talk to us. They have so many people in queue.
Oh. Oh, they just ask you to pinpoint which one you want. Oh my God.
Just tell them which durian you want. Not really
It's
friendly.
not very friendly.
Not very friendly.
Next time we go that way. She's eating really
Very nice. You know how to open?
I don't know how to open it.
I know. Let me finish it. No. Can't wait.
No, when you eat durian, you have to eat it until it's clean.
Very clean.
Yeah, you can't leave this part. You
Yeah.
have to eat it until it's clean.
Look at that. You see the color? It's beautiful.
See the durian. Yeah.
Look at that, guys. You kind of like open your legs and they got yellow in there. I'm just kidding, guys. I'm just enjoying eating my durian.
Hana, this one, Hana. Thank you.
Nice, huh?
This one is so very nice.
What you got?
I think our partner haven't tried it. They didn't know how good it is. But if they try, I'm sure they like
But
it.
they bought it.
Something.
Last time,
You will say,
No, they didn't like it.
he went immediately to brush his teeth. I was like, don't. You are like over the exaggerating. No, but he said, no, I'm not over
I can't
exaggerating.
stop eating this durian. It's really yummy. That's So guys, nakaubos na kami ng ilang durian. Bumili pa kami ulit kasi hindi pa kami na satisfied sa durian. Ayan. Bye! second. This is the kampong. So guys, we have a second batch. Let's look at that.
This is red prawn.
Ini.
Red prawn, can I see?
So this is the second batch. So guys, this is the second batch. Look at this. So we choose the big one, but this is different from the first one we eat. So look at this, guys.
That's good as well.
Couple one guys, go ahead. It's gonna be hard.
This one is the deeper version. The free one. Tastes different.
Look at that, she drink.
Different side.
So guys, our durian trip is done. So we so much fun and so much happy, so much enjoy with all these girls. So I think that it's for today, and thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe down below, and see you in the next video. Bye.